Hello mga ka-viewers, we are here in Evia Mall. Kasama ko pamilya ko. We are here in second floor of Evia. Meron ditong ano to? Market Leader. Meron din sila dito all toys and also Kinder City. Look at that. So big. Oh. Meron din ditong ano.
Baba tayo? Oh, baka. Meron po Italian.
Ayan. Dito. Digital worker. Meron tong Transol Clubs. Sunset Studio. Evolution Rush Puppies. Dito. A bear. Ang laki ng bear. Ang laki. Grill sushi. Grill sushi bar. Oh, ma. Grill sushi bar. Grill sushi bar. Ayan, oh. Meditworks. Samsung. Furnitures. Cinemas. All home. Sperry. Ikutin natin ang buong Evia Mall. Ayan. Kaya ito, meron pang one for you. Ihaw.
Meat.
Hindi naman beef. Hindi naman beef. At saka pork meron. Ayan, yung restaurant. May Market Liberty pa dito. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Ansaria Vlog. Hit the notification bell. Like and share my video. Ron! Bye na, bye.
Hello.
Oh, bye na, bye. Mami, bye na, bye.
Bye-bye. Ang ganda, oh.